Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Binance Passkey. First, understand that passkeys offer a significant upgrade to your account security. They replace the need for complex passwords and often cumbersome two-factor authentication methods. This new approach provides a much simpler and more secure way to access your Binance account, leveraging your device's built-in security features for a seamless experience. To enable your passkey, begin by logging into your Binance account. Once inside, navigate directly to the security section within your account settings. Look for the Clear Passkey option and select Enable to initiate the setup process. The system will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to register your specific device's passkey, making it ready for future use. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the amazing Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic addition to any home. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your passkey is set up, logging into Binance becomes incredibly easy and secure. When prompted, simply use your registered passkey. Your device will then ask for your biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or face scan, or your device's PIN. This quick verification confirms your identity, completely eliminating the need to remember complex passwords or constantly enter two-factor authentication codes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.